The new MacBook I bought had 17 charge cycles on it, when new ones usually have around 1 or 2. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I recently bought a new MacBook from the Apple Store that had 17 charge cycles on it, and had I not checked the charge cycles, I probably wouldn't have returned it to get a new one. So the absolute first thing you should check on your new MacBook is the amount of charge cycles it has on it. I will be showing you exactly how to do this in this video, but before checking the charge cycles, you can get an idea of if your MacBook is new or not by inspecting the packaging and the actual MacBook itself. Now this is footage of me unboxing the MacBook with 17 charge cycles on it, and as you can see right off the bat, the cover has a huge smudge on the back. I didn't really think much of it when unboxing it. I was just really excited to finally get a new Mac, which is probably how most people will react. In comparison, this is how the cover looked on the new MacBook I got after returning this one, and as you can see, there are no major smudge marks on its cover. So once I set up the MacBook and the adrenaline of getting a new Mac started wearing off, I started getting suspicious of why there was a huge smudge mark on the cover. So I started exploring and ended up checking the charge cycles and found out that it had 17 charge cycles on it. So to check the charge cycles, click on the Apple logo from the top left corner, and then from the drop-down menu, click on About this Mac. Next, click on the System Report button. And now from the left sidebar menu, click on Power. And on this screen, you can see the number of charge cycles that are on the battery. Usually on new MacBooks, the charge cycle should only be around 1 or 2, and the maximum capacity should be 100% or greater. On the MacBook I returned, it had 17 charge cycles on it, and while the maximum capacity was 100%, I was not comfortable with keeping a new computer with 17 charge cycles on it. The new MacBook I got after returning it had only 1 charge cycle out of the box, and after almost 3 weeks of use, it still only has 8 charge cycles. Now in 99% of cases, this will not happen, but if your new MacBook has a high cycle count, I highly recommend you return it and get a new one. Apple has a really good return policy, and they will happily take back the product and give you a brand new one. Another important thing you should check if you haven't charged your MacBook yet is the last date it was plugged in. So you can check this by clicking on the Apple logo from the top left corner, and then clicking on System Preferences. Next, click on Battery, and you can see the date the MacBook was last charged on the left side. On the MacBook I returned, it was last charged almost 2 months before I bought it. And that wraps up this video. I wanted to keep it short and simple. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.